Why is Nio Stock stalling? In this video, I'll be sharing my thoughts on why is Nio Stock not moving up. Alright, if we are doing a technical analysis on Nio, we have to take a look at Nio's price chart. So this is Nio's price chart, and let's zoom in over here, where recently Nio Stock has been moving sideways and been stalling. Since the 8th of January 2021 up to the current filming of this video, which is around 15 February 2021, the market has not opened yet, so we are seeing last Friday's candlestick, which is the 12th of February 2021. So within this month, Nio Stock has been trading sideways, and we see that the lower part of the range is around $56 and the upper part of the range is around $66. So Nio Stock has been trading between this range of $56 to $66 for about a month or so now. And this has led many investors and traders alike in Nio to wonder why is Nio Stock stalling right now. Back in 2020, Nio Stock has risen by about 1,110% for the year. This noticeable slowdown in momentum for Nio Stock is causing some investors and traders to worry about Nio Stock. But in this video, I'll be sharing why I believe that there is no reason to worry about Nio Stock right now, even though Nio Stock has been trading sideways for a while. Let's zoom out a bit on Nio Stock chart and see the greater picture of things. Taking a bigger picture of things allows us to have a greater perspective of where we are currently at. Starting from about July 2020, we see that Nio Stock price rose here, and then it traded sideways for a while. It rose here, traded sideways for a while, rose here, then it traded sideways for a while, rose here, and now it is trading sideways. So based on Nio's historical price chart, Nio Stock price has experienced an increase followed by a stalling, followed by increase, stalling, and so on and so forth. And this pattern has repeated for quite a number of times in the past year. Based on Nio's past price patterns, the current stalling in Nio Stock price after prices have increased before is nothing new, and that is also one of the reasons why there is nothing to worry so far yet. Another thing to pay attention to Nio Stock chart is when prices increase for Nio, there's a corresponding rise in volume, and after the increase, when prices stall, you can see that there's a corresponding decrease in volume. And here we had an increase in stock price and we see volume also increasing, and then we had a sideways movement over here and we see a corresponding decrease in volume. And then over here, prices increase, and we see that there was also a corresponding increase in volume. And then over here, prices stopped for a bit, and then we see a corresponding decrease in volume. And then here, prices increase, and then we see there was also a pickup in volume. And right now, because prices are stalling over here, we also see there's a drop in volume. So again, taking a look at the historical price patterns for Nio Stock, the current stalling of Nio Stock price is nothing to worry about, because Nio Stock price has displayed the same price patterns previously. And not only did Nio Stock price display this price pattern once, but it managed to display these price patterns multiple times. One quick important point that I want to share with you right now is that even though Nio Stock price has displayed this price pattern previously, this does not mean that in the future it will display the same price patterns. But as with technical analysis, certain price patterns tend to repeat themselves. And by studying past price charts, we are better able to understand current price patterns. Technical analysis does not give us 100% certainty where prices are going to head to, but rather it gives us a higher probability of predicting where prices is likely to head to. With that said, while I still remain bullish about Nio, if there are certain developments on the price chart for Nio, I might even pay closer attention to Nio. And one of the things that I'm taking a look out for Nio Stock on the price chart is this price level of around $56. This price level of around $56 has been proving to be a support level for Nio Stock price currently. So moving forward, if Nio Stock price break below this price level of around $56, then that is something to take note of. Another reason why I'm not worried that Nio Stock price is currently stalling is because I'm investing in Nio for the long term. And as investors in the stock market, we know that stock price does not rise up all the time, regardless of how great the stock is. There will be times where the stock moves sideways or even fall even in an uptrend. And Nio is no different. Hopefully you guys have learned something from this video. If you did, smash that like button because it will really help the channel grow and allow me to produce more content such as this. And if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel because each week I release new videos about investing, trading and the stock market. I'll see you in those other videos. To your financial success.